Hi guys, this is Daniel from FND. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create stroke text effect in Photopea. So let's get started. So this is the image I'm going to use for this tutorial purpose. First, I'm going to extract the person from the background. So I'm going to use pen tool to do that. First, I'm going to grab the pen tool. This is the pen tool, and I'm going to draw the path around our subject. Before that, change the pen tool mode to path, and it is already created the shape, so I'm gonna delete that, and again I'm gonna draw the path. Then go to path and press Ctrl and click inside this thumbnail to make the path into selection. Now get back to layers and press Ctrl plus J to duplicate. So we have extracted the subject from the background. So now we need to add a text. So I'm going to select the type tool. The shortcut for that is T, and type in your text. I'm going to scale the text, go to edit, free transform, and scale the text. And I'm going to change the font type. I'm going to choose Bebes. Again, I'm going to transform the text. I'm going to change the text color to white. And make sure this text layer is in between the background layer and the person layer. Now we need to duplicate this text layer. Ctrl plus J to duplicate, and move this text copy layer above the person layer, and right click and go to blending options and change the fill value to 0% and select stroke and change the color of the stroke to white and change the size to something like 5 pixels. It differs according to your image, and click on OK. Now you see we created the stroke text effect. Now select both the text layer and move inside the canvas to place wherever you want. Ctrl plus click on the another layer to select both the layers. So that's it. This is how we can create the creative stroke line text effect. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, give thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more future tutorials. Also press the bell icon so that you can get instant notification when I upload a video. Thanks for watching, and bye.